Okay, welcome back, guys. Today is 7th of September, and this is journaling and a recap of the week's trade, like I normally do. So today I will be going about the trade I took, the wins and the losses, the correction. So let's dive right into it. First, I'll do Euro USD. So on here you can see this is a first trade we took on the 1st of September, which was on the Monday. So it was a winning trade because this is my point C right here, and it's a resistance area where the market has been responding to. So when the market pushed back there and it gave us an entry right here, so then gives us another confirmation right here. So this is a double top right here. So and this is the neckline in here. So after this entry confirmation, and also let's see extra confirmation here. So that was the only thing, and got into the trade, and it was a trade right here. So then on Tuesday we hit our TP on Tuesday. So on Wednesday we took a loss here because since we are breaking down, market is going down a downtrend. Then after this pullback on a lower time frame, we went down to a lower time frame for an entry right here. So but eventually the market stopped me out. So, and also so yeah, this zone right here, there's just few things that can be done better in this zone to avoid these loss. Though it is inevitable not to take a loss on a trade, there is no way you can do that, so you just have to accept that. But you can manage it. So there's a way I could have managed the trade here because of the way the market is playing out here. So I will have just waited because I've put my zone here for a retest after this breakout on 4-hour time frame for market to come back inside the zone here to retest this resistance zone and push higher. But eventually that is what market did. Market come back, retest, pull up, then come back again to that zone, retest this zone and push out. So anyways, that is that on Euro USD. 2 trade in a week on Euro USD, 1 win and 1 loss. So also your risk management has a lot of role to play, so that if you take 2 losses and 1 win, it will definitely cover for your losses if your risk to reward is intact. All right, that is that. So let's move on to the next pair, which is USD JPY. We had multiple trades during the week. So the first trade was this. Okay, here here this support zone right here, this support zone right here, market was really responding to it, and initially I took off my trade over the weekend, the previous weekend, which was on the, let's see, that should be 20. Yeah, that was 29th of August. Yeah, 29th of August. I was in this trade, so I was hoping that the market would push down, but I took off my trade. Then I was waiting for the break of this zone and retest, the break of this zone and retest. But eventually on Monday, which was on the second, yes, am I right? Yes, no, on the first. So after this bullish engulfing candle on 4-hour time frame, so at the support zone, so this is telling me that the market is not going down anymore, so we are pushing up, and that is what happened. That was what happened. So scale down to a lower time frame, got an entry, and the market push higher, so this was a win trade. Then the market keep pushing higher, and right here, after the market push out of my point A, my point B, activate point C, then push the market point C here. So these zones that I've mapped out are the zones I'm looking to trade from if I get an entry. So scaling down to a lower time frame, got myself an entry right here on the second here. Then also this was a winning trade as well. So now go back to my higher time frame, and so after my point C activated, push down to point A to create point D. So now the market push out and also push again for another entry, which is showing that okay, the market is going higher, and enter the trade right here. But eventually the market push down, stop us out, which is still okay, which is fine. So win on Monday, and on Tuesday another win right here. On Wednesday lost. Then on Thursday, after the market break this zone, break down here, so I was expecting the market to push in here, then continue down. So here you scale down to a lower time frame, you get an entry right here, enter market, but eventually the market stopped me out here, so this was another loss. Then on Friday, which was NFP, I don't really like trading, but there is the probability for the market to go down was very high, so we go down to a higher time frame, you'll see what I'm talking about. So initially I was expecting a pull down here, but the market go up, come back to the resistance zone and push back down. After this push, then the market make a small pullback, which was this candle. It will scale down to a lower time frame. This candle right here is a retest. It will be a retest on a very lower time frame. It will be a break and retest on a lower time frame. Let's see, 15 minutes here. So you see, so this is it right here. So and after that we got in. After this the close of this candle, the market pull back a little bit, then it's the take profit. So now that was on Friday. So how many trade in a week? And USD JPY 1 2 3 4 5, so three wins and two losses, which is a good trade, a good week as well. So all right, that is that's for the week, and I will post a new video. After I post this, I'll post another new video for what I'm looking at in the market, and my area of concentration where I will be taking my trade. I will drop that. And also please know that this is not a financial advice. Okay, please do your own analysis thoroughly, and make sure you are